Dead ahead, Jesus. Yeah, that's it. That's it. I want a helmet down, I want. Yeah, literally. Yeah, too right. Do you want to go past me and I'll do a few on the next straight bit, and I don't mind. I'll do some filming of you on the twisties.
Yeah, right. This is going to be the main bit, you sure?
Yeah, absolutely.
I won't go much quicker, I'll just...
No, you're alright, I'll try and keep up.
No, I'm not going to go ham.
Yeah, well, I'll try and keep up within my ability, and then if it gets too scary, I'll... But I'm all good, I'm cruising.
Yeah, it's good.
It's good to see your line anyway and stuff, where you go.
I don't take the best line.
Positioning on the road and stuff.
Wow, you're in the middle of the road. Fucking hell. Could have headbutted his mirror then. Straight up there?
Yeah, literally. I wonder how far I'd get.
I reckon you'd surprise yourself.
Yeah, you're probably right. We have been playing MX bikes, so we are.
Yeah, just lean back.
Yeah, that's it. Lean
back and give it more gas.
More gas. Yeah, that's the key, I think. Welcome to Cheddar Gorge. Bloody cyclists.
I know.
Fucking
Bunch of
6 people wide.
I know. Mad, isn't it? Yeah. They do actually recommend that now, don't they? Riding side by side,
oh,
so you're like a car to overtake.
Okay.
I don't know about that.
Yeah, fair. I mean, I guess I've had some people, because I'm on a 125, go past me like in the same lane, and it is a little bit like, oh, mate, calm down. But I feel like it's kind of situational. I feel like if it's narrow, then why should you take up the whole fucking road if cars that quicker can squeeze past? Do you know what I mean?
There we go.
L twisties.
Beautiful.
Lovely, isn't it?
Big old
rocks. It's a narrow bit, isn't it, this bit?
Yeah, and shit surface too.
Yeah.
She looked cold.
Yeah, well, cycling up this is probably not that fun, I feel.
Yeah, I wouldn't fancy it.
Yeah.
But then it's the thing in it for, you know, people. It's like, oh, I cycled up there.
Yeah.
Shit quality road.
Yeah, literally. I bet that's so people don't rag it on bikes.
Yeah, probably.
Like, oh, we could fix it, but...
Bloody beautiful,
isn't it? Lush. Oh yeah, that could be a thumbnail. That's where we stopped last time, wasn't it? On the left?
No, the next one.
That's the next one, okay. Oh look, it's fucking some little sheepies or something.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah.
That's a bigger corner than I fucking thought.
Holy kidnap.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Proper switchback.
Yeah.
Yeah, you see me and you're not hurrying up. He's on the scooter.
CB500X, and that's the scooter, yeah, literally. The front one was a 500, wasn't it? The greeny colour is nice.
I think we stopped here last time, didn't we? No? Maybe the one back.
I
think they've changed the one back there.
You might be right, I don't know.
I can't remember, there's so many.
They're fucking the same.
Well, then this rings a bell.
Yeah. Yeah, maybe they've just set up like a climbing job there. I don't know.
Australian gift shop.
Nice.
Museum of Free History.
Nice. Free history. They're like, oh, we don't know. It's just an empty room.
Just loads of guessing.
Yeah.
Right.
They're like, oh, it could have been this. We don't really know.
Do you want to stop for a drink in one of these, or? I feel like something like that would be. The tea room will sell cans. There's a stop here on the.
Yeah, on the right.
Where it says goods vehicle. Oh, overweight. There we go. Perfect. Let's try and do a little spin here.
Yeah, I'll follow you. What do you reckon?
What's that?
Yeah.
Just gonna go run over there and get a can, I think.
Yeah, that's good.
I forgot it. Jigsaw 125.
Yeah, looks like it.
Exhaust looks like it's been fucking burnt for some reason. Jesus Christ.
It's running hot.
It's got the rim tape though, that adds like 7 horsepower.
Yeah, I'd heard that actually. Oh shit.
What?
The L plate.
Is it fucked?
It's not looking great.
Oh yeah. Oh my. How's that? I think you need a new set of L plates.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Not really going to mount that though. Anyway, I'm going to turn this off.